Very good morning, children. Once again, welcome to the online classes. Today, we are going to learn English writing. Okay, English writing. What did you learn in the previous class? In the previous class, you learned capital A, small a. Next, capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Okay, today you are going to learn capital D, small d. Okay. Start from the red and blue line. Take out your classwork, children, and start writing one time in the classwork and one time in the homework. So how do you write capital D? From the red line to the blue line. Capital D, small d. Small d, you have to start from the red line and write inside the blue line. Again, capital D from the red line. Say and write, children. Say capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. Again, capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. Again, repeat. Capital D, small d. You have to touch the red and the blue line. Say and write, children. Capital D, small d. Repeat. Capital D, sorry, small d. Capital D, small d. So how do you write capital D? From the red line to the blue line. Don't go to the next blue line. Don't write like this. This is wrong. You should touch the red line to the blue line. Draw a curve. Capital D, small d. D for what? D for duck. D for duck. Capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. Say, children, open your mouth and say, capital D, small d. 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 Okay, children, this is the homework for you. Can you see this book, red and blue lines? Yes, this is one time in classwork and one time in homework. Okay, so next you're going to learn English oral. Next, you're going to learn English oral. Okay, take out this English oral alphabet book. Can you see this book? Yes. Now open to capital F, small f. Can you see this? Yes. F for fish. F for frog. F for frog. Next, G. G for girl. G for goat. G for guitar. Can you see this picture, children? It is there in your alphabet book. Yes, G. Next is H. H for horse. H for horse. Next, H for hen. Next, H for honey. I. Can you see this here picture? Yes. I for ice cream. I for ink pot. I for igloo. J. J for joker. J for joker. J for jacket. J for jug. And there's an activity for you over here. Sorry. Can you see this alphabets? Yes. You have to write it on the, you have to write on the dotted line with different crayons, with different colors. Suppose I, this is I. Okay. So I, you have to write different color, one red color, one blue color, one pink color, whichever color you want, you can write on the dotted. So this is an activity for you. Okay, children, can you see this? Yes. Okay. So today you learned English writing and English oral. So in the next class, we'll learn much more. Thank you.